Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can reset Mozilla Firefox to its factory or default settings. For example, if you'd like to fix various performance issues or simply restore it or reset it to its factory settings. This is how you can do it, guys. Launch Mozilla Firefox, and for this method, it will not suffice to access the Firefox browser settings, because you won't find that feature anywhere here. Don't bother, guys. Don't look for it. You won't find it anywhere here. I have already done it for you. So to overcome this, guys, you will need to access the help center of Firefox. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right again, but instead of clicking into settings, select help here, click into it, and after that click into more troubleshooting information. And here, guys, simply select refresh Firefox, and that's it. That is going to restart. So as you can see, that is going to restart and reset Firefox to its default settings only if you click on that button here to confirm it. And that's basically it. This will remove all installed extensions, customizations, etc. And as said in the beginning of this tutorial, guys, it may also help you fix various performance issues. So that's how you access the resetting to default settings feature on Firefox. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.